My name is Ricky.
I'm Julie.
This is River. River's been involved with the WeBreak program for just over 2 years, going on 3 now. So yeah, it's been quite a journey for him. And to be honest, like WeBreak's done so much. It's been so transformative and fulfilling and validating for not just him but us as a family, being able to watch him do what he loves and having quality instructors from top to bottom, you know, who've been able to guide him on this journey and help him feel confident doing the things that he loves most. And so, I mean, I can't say enough good things about WeBreak and this program, the direction, the mission, where it's going, and can't wait to see, you know, what has in store for our guy in the future, for sure.
Awesome. How'd you guys like the event today?
Oh, the event was dope. It was really cool. It's his first time getting to do that, so it's nice to see all the crews come out, to see that energy. I feel like this is what hip-hop and breakdancing is about, so it was really, really cool to see all that.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.